to win this duel.
Dual Gazer, activate!
Let's duel!
Okay, here I go! My turn! I'll set a card! I'll set a card! Appear! Ruffian Railcar! Ruffian Railcar's effect activates to deal you damage. Train Rain!
I'm still in this.
I end my turn. Come on, you're up.
It's my turn. I draw. From my hand, I activate a field spell.
How's this? Here's my set card. I activate a quick play spell.
I end my turn. Can't wait to see what you're gonna try.
All aboard! It's my turn. I draw. I'll set a card. Ruffian Railcar's effect activates to deal you damage. Train Rain!
No. Sheesh!
You won't get away from Flying Pegasus Railroad Stampede! This impregnable fortress is the terror of the railways. Exceed Summon! Show yourself! Rank 4 Heavy Armor Train Iron Wolf! I end my turn. Come on, you're up.
Don't overthink it. Just go for it. It's my turn. I draw. Take the stage. I summon a monster. I activate my monster's effect. Attention, please. I special summon a monster. From my hand, I activate an equip spell. From my hand, I activate a continuous spell.
Yeah, right! Here's my set card. I activate a quick play spell.
I'll set a card. With that, I end my turn.
All aboard! It's my turn. I draw. I'll set a card. Time to battle!
Don't
I end
overthink
my
it.
turn.
Just I draw.
Come on, you're up.
Attention, please. Take the stage. I exceed summon a monster.
Just as I expected. Here's my set card. I
end
activate
my
a
turn.
continue. Okay.
Can't wait to see what you're gonna try.
Check this out. Heavy freight train Derrick Crane. Time to battle. Derrick Crane, attack. Ruffian Railcar's effect activates from the graveyard. My turn. Come on, you're up.
Don't overthink it. Just go for it. It's my turn. I draw. From my hand, I activate a field spell. I activate a field spell. Okay. I special summon a monster. I activate my monster's effect. Take the stage. I special summon a monster. I use the card I set. I activate a continuous spell. Battle. Here goes. Direct attack.
Just as I expected. I flip over my set card. I activate a quick play spell.
With that, I end my turn.
All aboard! It's my turn. I draw. I activate my field spell, Revolving Switchyard. I send a card to the graveyard to use Revolving Switchyard. I add a monster in my deck to my hand. Try to stop me. Check this out. Heavy Freight Train Derricrane. Battle. Out of my way. Boom.
That won't work. I activate a field spell.
That the best you got? I end my turn. Bring it on.
It's my turn. I draw. From my hand, I activate an equip spell. You're up. I summon a monster. Battle. Here goes. I attack you directly.
No way! I should have brought a bigger cannon.
Join Show and learn to become pals with your monsters.